What's up guys, it's Chris back again with another video. So today I'm going to be doing something that I've wanted to do for the past few months. I just never got around to it. We're going to be doing a color shifting custom. The shoes are going to change color depending on what temperature they are. A really cool concept, a lot of creative things you can do with it. So today that's what we're going to be doing. Let's get started. Okay, so you already know the first step is going to be getting some cotton balls and some acetone and giving our surface a good wipe down before we paint. So now it is time to mix up our magical color shifting paint. The materials you're gonna need are Angelus neutral paint, Createx colors adhesion promoter, and some ultra thermal dust from solarcolordust.com. You guys always ask me in the comments where I get stuff, and I always tell you all the links are down below in the description box. But let's get into this paint mix and all my ratios and stuff. I'm gonna try to make this as easy to understand as possible. I start off with pouring my 2 grams of powder into my bottle, then 1.5 ounces of Angelus neutral paint, and a 1/2 ounce of the Createx colors adhesion promoter on top of that. You shake it up and now your paint mix is ready. Also for this, I'm gonna be using my airbrush. Now, guys, this paint changes colors depending on the temperature. So below about 72 degrees, it will be black. And then in between 72 and 82 degrees Fahrenheit, it will be red. And then above that, when it's warmer than 82 degrees Fahrenheit, it will be yellow. So it's a black, red, yellow color shifting pigment. It's really cool and I'm having a lot of fun with it. So let's keep going. Alright, so now it is time to spray our nice clear coat. For this, I'm going to use some Angelus Direct Matte Finish with a few drops of duller added to it. I'm going to mix it up, drop it in my airbrush, and spray my clear coat. Now, don't be too confused when you see me spraying my clear coat and the shoe turns black. Remember that this is color changing paint, which means that the cool air from my airbrush is hitting the shoe and lowering the temperature of the shoe, which is making the paint shift to black. Because remember, when the shoe gets cold, it's black, and then as it gets warmer, it shifts to red and then yellow. So it's kind of trippy, but don't worry about it. Let's get started. we are almost done here, guys. Now I'm just gonna take some black paint and touch up the Jumpman on the toe box of the shoe, and also take note that there were a bunch of touch-ups that I did off camera. It was just way more productive for me to do it off camera, because if I recorded all of it, this video would have been way too long. But anyways, guys, let's get started. Alright guys, so we are all done here. Leave a comment down below and let me know exactly what you think of this custom. I know a few people have done it on YouTube already, but I haven't seen it done on a Jordan 14 yet, and I also haven't seen it done with the color changing paint that shifts to 3 colors. I've only seen the 2 color version on YouTube so far, so I want it to be a little different, just a little bit. But for the 94% of you that watch my videos and still aren't subscribed, I mean, what are we doing here? Hit that magical button down below. I heard good things happen when you do that. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Remember to follow me on Instagram at ChrisCustomKicks if you want to get a sneak peek of what I'm doing before I drop my videos. And have a wonderful day. Peace.